Best deals.
1. Mini electric chopper. Allows you to quickly and easily chop fruits and vegetables, making it simpler than ever for everyday cooking. Perfect for quick chopping, mincing and processing, with a powerful 30W motor and sharp stainless steel blades, the chopper processes ingredients in just 30 to 60 seconds. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Chopper. Twin blade technology, detachable double-layer stainless steel system provides quick and efficient chopping and dicing operation. Be it coarse, medium or fine, made from unbreakable ABS plastic for long-lasting and hassle-free use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Chopper. Can be used for chopping meat, fish, vegetables, cheese, nuts, fruits or making salad, guacamole and baby food. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Mini electric chopper. With its intuitive one-touch operation, this mini chopper simplifies your food preparation. Just press a button, and the powerful blades spring into action, effortlessly chopping your ingredients to perfection. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Electric chopper. Detachable components and dishwasher-safe design make cleaning easy so that you can enjoy your meal more. Quickly prepare healthy and delicious meals and snacks that the whole family will love. One-touch operation for effortless chopping and dicing. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Mixer grinder. Designed and engineered to simplify all your blending and grinding needs. Blender helps in making fluffier batters. A unique attachment that creates an active obstruction to the flow of ingredients, ensuring that the batter keep falling back onto the blade efficiently. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Spice grinder. Easy and convenient to maintain, electric coffee grinder for beans is equipped with stainless steel that can well mix whatever you are grinding. Clean with a cleaning brush for quickly and easily cleaning. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Blender. Has super intelligent motor that effortlessly auto-detects ingredient load, ensuring every blend delivers perfection in every sip and bite. Includes 3 jars so you'll always have the right size for every need. It comes with 1 liter multi-blend jar, 500 ml travel jar with lid, 250 ml grinding jar with shaker lid. The transparent blender jars enable you to see inside the jar, which helps you monitor the consistency while blending or grinding, and you don't have to keep opening the lid to check the results. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Portable blender. Meticulously crafted using premium materials, guaranteeing durability and long-lasting performance. Feel the superior quality that sets us apart from the rest. Portable blenders feature powerful motors and ultra-sharp blades that effortlessly pulverize fruits, veggies, and ice, delivering silky smooth smoothies, refreshing juices, and delectable shakes in seconds. Designed for the modern on-the-go lifestyle, portable blenders are your ideal travel companions. Compact, lightweight, and equipped with rechargeable batteries, they easily fit into your backpack, gym bag, or even your car's cup holder. Enjoy your favorite blends wherever your adventures take you. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Chopper. Comes with 12 different applications. 3 impact-resistant jars and 1 food processing bowl, crafted from 100% copper motor, and runs at wattage 1000 W, voltage 230 volts, frequency 50 Hz, both citrus and centrifugal juicing attachments. Overload protection for motor safety, has 2-speed setting plus pulse, also has safety lock for safe operation, capacity of bowl -3.5 L, capacity of blender jar -1.8 L, capacity of multipurpose jar -1.2 L, capacity of chutney jar -0.5 L, inbuilt storage drawer for blades and discs. 1. Kneading doing blade. 2. Slicing disc. 3. Shredding disc. 4. Grating disc are available in this drawer. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Blender. Design system lets you effortlessly mix and grind the toughest ingredients in Indian cooking, both wet and dry, from turmeric and coconut to idli batter, smoothies and much more. Powerful 500-watt rated motor with overload protection for continuous operation, BPA-free, With pulse button operation you can now make smoothies as per your desired texture. This smoothie blender is best for fitness lovers as you can make your smoothies instantly. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mixer grinder. Made of high quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance, comes with one body and 3 jars for blending, grinding, mixing, and juicing. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Mixer grinder. Anti-gravity laid locks ensure complete safety while being convenient to use. The clips stay open and in place, making it easy to secure the jar in place. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Chopper. Offers 2 speed options, including turbo mode, all powered by a robust 260W copper motor. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Chopper. Chopping the onions, vegetables, slicing, shredding carrot, radish etc., making finger chips, whisking curd, eggs etc., peeling potatoes, peas etc. for your daily kitchen use, with unbreakable plastic container and German steel blades without giving extra load on the mixer. It's strong and durable that lasts long after many years of use. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Blender. Super quality stainless steel blades are able to grind everything and stay sharp despite working at high speeds, easy to operate, clean, detachable and easily washable parts. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Portable blender. Open the lid at the bottom of the blender, put the ingredients in, add the right amount of water or milk, and tighten the lid. Always ensure there is enough liquid when blending with ice. Check whether the bottom of the bottle cap is tightened, double-click the bottom of the bottle button, the mixer can work. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Portable blender. Ideal travel companion. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits in your backpack, gym bag, or car cup holder. With a powerful 4000 mAh battery, it can be fully charged in just 3 to 5 hours via Type-C charging. Enjoy the convenience of blending your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere. Experience the freedom of portable blending. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Mixer grinder. Self-locking jars ensure secure mating of jar with mixer base, eliminating wear and tear of couplers and allows for easy pick and place of jars. Penta drive couplers are self-aligning, high strength and designed to withstand the high torque and load required for tough grinding applications suited to Indian cooking. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Chopper. Just put the ingredients in the mini food processor, place the lid, and press the on button for a few seconds to mince the food. Chopper is compact, lightweight, and perfect for travel. You can carry this rechargeable chopper in your backpack or suitcase very easily. Product link is given in the 20th link. Thanks for watching.